Hey, ever roll out of bed feeling like you hit snooze one too many times? I've been there, but here's the secret. A simple morning workout can totally flip your energy switch and set you up for an awesome day. Let's jump right in. First up, 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Don't worry about going too fast, just get your heart pumping and shake off that sleepiness. Next, straight into 30 seconds of bodyweight squats. Feel your legs wake up and your body start to move. Now drop it down for a 20-second plank. Engage your core. Imagine you're already powering through your morning. After that, come up for 30 seconds of alternating lunges. Left, right, right. You're already halfway there. Take a quick breather, then finish strong with 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Push yourself, but listen to your body. That's it. You just spent under 5 minutes, but totally boosted your energy. The key is consistency. Do this routine every morning and watch how your mood, focus, and stamina transform. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself, one day at a time. If you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments or share your favorite way to wake up your body. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy, energizing routines. Now go crush your day. You got this.